Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards order for the month of December. And so basically Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have oil infused products. I am an Essential Rewards member, which means that I am committed to spending at least $50 a month on Young Living products. And so each month I go in and I change my monthly order to meet the needs of my family. Let's see what we got for this month. So this is new. I've never seen them package the essential oils like this. It's a kind of a box shaped thing, but it says Thieves 15 milliliter essential oil. And so each month, pretty much all year round, I go in and I order Thieves essential oil, which is a blend. And this is just a great essential oil to have, especially during the fall and winter months, because it helps support the respiratory system and the immune system, which is definitely needed during the fall and winter months. And so it's a blend, which means it has a combination of different oils put together to make this essential oil. So I'm going to read to you what it says about Thieves essential oil. So it says, Thieves essential oil blend was inspired by the legend of four 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptus. So the ingredients or essential oils that make up Thieves are clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and Eucalyptus radiata. And it says that you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So I like to diffuse Thieves, but I really like to diffuse it at night to help support our immune and respiratory systems. And so I diffuse it with Raven equal parts. I usually put 10 to 12 drops combined in my diffuser. Thieves essential oil is a great one to diffuse with your citrus oils, and so it really goes well with like orange or tangerine, lemon. It's great to diffuse with citrus fresh. I really like that one because it has a hint of spearmint in it too, and so that makes for a really good combination. And so that's my first one. I have a tube here. That's how they normally come, so I find it interesting that the Thieves was in a box like that. I wonder if that's something new they're trying. So let's see what's in here. So there are two essential oils in here. The first one is Raven, and so like I just spoke about, I love diffusing these two for that immune and respiratory support. You know, during this time of year with everything going on, this is definitely needed. And so Raven is also an essential oil blend, and I'll read to you what it has in it. So Raven also comes in a 15 milliliter bottle, and it says Raven is a cleansing blend of Radiata, Peppermint, Eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. So the ingredients or essential oils are Radiata, Peppermint, Eucalyptus radiata, Wintergreen, and lemon. And it says you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with a V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So these two, I diffuse a lot, but you could apply them topically. You could take coconut oil and a few drops of Thieves and make a rub of it. So this would be good for applying to the feet to help support your immune system. And this one is especially useful for supporting the respiratory system. So this is a good one that I like to use if I need to make a chest rub. So same thing, you could take coconut oil, put some drops of Raven in it, apply it to the chest, the neck, the back, just to kind of support that respiratory system. So these can be applied topically if you dilute them with coconut oil or the Young Living V6 vegetable oil complex. I just always use coconut oil. And I have one more essential oil in here, and this time of year I love to get the Christmas Spirit essential oil blend. And so all three of these are blends, which means they're the combination of lots of different essential oils, but this one's just great for the holidays. And so let me read to you what they say about Christmas Spirit. So Christmas Spirit comes in that 5 milliliter bottle, and it says experience the positive energy of the holidays all year long with the aromas of orange, cinnamon bark, and black spruce essential oils in Christmas Spirit. Ingredients or essential oils are orange, cinnamon bark, and black spruce, and you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. Now I never apply Christmas Spirit topically. I always diffuse it, and my favorite way to diffuse it is I love to take several drops of orange essential oil and just put a couple drops of this in it, and it just smells so wonderful for the holidays. So it's a great one for this time of year. And then I have one more item. I told you it was a small order. And so I was running low on this item, so I went ahead and picked up a bottle of the Thieves household cleaner. And so this household cleaner is wonderful. It is perfect for your floors, your counters, your mirrors. It's a great window and mirror cleaner. And so what I like about it, it looks like a really small bottle, but you only take a cap or two full and put it in a glass spray bottle and then top it with water, and that's how you use it as a cleaner. Or I'll put a couple of capfuls in a bucket of water if I'm gonna be mopping my floors, and I love it. It leaves no residue, it smells great. It has that perfect Thieves scent, and it leaves everything smelling nice and fresh and clean. So let's read about that Thieves household cleaner. That is one of my favorite products from Young Living. And I only have to order it maybe a few times a year because that bottle will last me 4 to 6 months using just a couple of capfuls every time you use it. And so the Thieves household cleaner says, combining naturally derived plant-based ingredients, Thieves household cleaner provides exceptional home cleaning and purifying power. This multi-purpose solution can be used for virtually any surface in your home or office and is perfect to use around every member of your family, including children and pets. And it says how to use for household cleaning purposes as needed, dilute or use straight for extra strength. Dilution ratios are listed on the label. And so that's my little essential rewards order for the month of December. And so I got 3 essential oils and 1 Thieves household cleaner. And so now I'm going to share with you some of my favorite essential oils for the winter months. And so to start off with, Believe Essential Oil Blend. And this smells really, really nice. I love the smell of it. It just smells so refreshing and clean. So that is an essential oil blend. Let's see what it says about Believe Essential Oil. So it comes in the 15 milliliter bottle. It says Believe contains Idaho blue spruce, Idaho balsam fir, frankincense, and other essential oils that may encourage feelings of strength and faith when used aromatically. And so the ingredients are Idaho blue spruce, Idaho balsam fir, frankincense, coriander, bergamot, ylang ylang, and geranium. And it says diffuse, directly inhale, or apply topically. That's a good one to have. Another favorite of mine for this time of year is I really gravitate towards the tree essential oils. And one of my favorite tree essential oils is the Northern Lights Black Spruce. And let me smell that. Oh, it's such a good tree essential oil. And I have other tree essential oils, but this one is probably my favorite. Now this is a single. There's only the Northern Lights Black Spruce in here. And so Believe was a blend, and that's a single. But let's read what it says about Northern Lights Black Spruce. So Northern Lights Black Spruce essential oil comes from Young Living's Northern Lights Farm in British Columbia, Canada. Diffuse this rich, woodsy, and invigorating scent during meditation to create a fresh, aromatic atmosphere. And it says you can diffuse, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. And so this one, I don't diffuse it by itself. I usually add something to it. So this one is great for diffusing with orange, but I also really love the way it smells when you diffuse it with clove. I think it smells really nice that way. It would also be good with maybe peppermint. I think that would be a good combination. So this one is a great one to have for the winter months. It just smells really nice. So another thing I like to diffuse during the winter months is eucalyptus. And so Young Living has a variety of eucalyptus essential oils. These are both, I'm going to show 2 of them. These are both singles. And so the first one is Eucalyptus Globulus. And so if you like the smell of eucalyptus, which I think pairs really well with mint. I love the way eucalyptus and peppermint smell together. But I think it smells clean and refreshing, and like I said, it pairs perfectly with peppermint. It just has that really clean, invigorating, fresh scent. So let's read about Eucalyptus Globulus. So Eucalyptus Globulus has an earthy, fresh aroma and is used in many skincare products for its cleansing properties. And it can be diffused, directly inhaled, or you can dilute it with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So technically you could really make your own chest rub using eucalyptus as well, and that would be a good one for that. I also have Eucalyptus radiata, which looks like that. It's got a little bit of a lighter, the Globulus has the darker green, this one has more of a lighter green color. And it is also a single. And that one smells really nice too. I think this one is a little bit stronger, the Eucalyptus globulus, but this one smells really nice too. And so for the Eucalyptus radiata, it says Eucalyptus radiata essential oil is loved for its fresh, pungent, and fruity aroma, making it ideal for massage after activity. Diffuse Eucalyptus radiata to promote a stimulating and rejuvenating environment. Diffuse, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. And so like I said, both of those would be great for diffusing with peppermint. That would be a good combination. And so on that line of mint, I have two of my favorite mint essential oils. Of course, I've mentioned peppermint diffusing very well with several of these. So like I said, you could do the black spruce, the Northern Lights black spruce, and either of the eucalyptus essential oils would go great with peppermint. And so peppermint, when I think of like the winter months, I think of like cool and refreshing and crisp scents. And so peppermint is perfect for that. And it smells like straight peppermint candy. I love it. And so this one is great for the winter months, like I said, to pair with some of these other essential oils that I like. And so let's read what it says about peppermint. For peppermint, it says it can be used topically to cool the skin or diffuse for a scent that invites feelings of peace. And it says to use, you can diffuse it, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex to apply topically. So this one is great. This is another good one that if you wanted to create like some kind of rub and apply to like after activity when you need a little support for your muscles, that would be a good one. Sometimes I like to apply it like to my temples or the back of my neck. It gives me a nice cooling sensation, and I really like the tingling feeling of it. And along with my peppermint, another one that I think of a lot in the winter is wintergreen. And so wintergreen is another great one to have for the winter months. Let's smell that one. But it smells like wintergreen gum. It smells good. And it just has a really nice scent. And that's another single, so let's see what it says about wintergreen. Wintergreen's refreshing minty aroma is stimulating and invigorating. It's a great addition to lotions that are applied after activity. Diffuse, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So both the peppermint and the wintergreen are great for that support for your muscles after activity, or if you need like some cooling, you can apply it and it has that cooling kind of tingling sensation, which is really nice. Both the eucalyptuses, like I said, are great for making like the chest rubs and things like that, because they're really good at supporting the respiratory system. And then Northern Lights black spruce is just probably my favorite tree essential oil. And then the Believe essential oil blend just smells really great. And then that's technically 6, but I have to throw in my go-to buddy here of Thieves essential oil blend. And you know that I already talked about it in my essential rewards order. Thieves is just a great one to have all year round. I tend to use it a little bit less during the spring and summer months. I'll still use it at night to support my family's wellness, but during the fall and the winter months, I'll throw this in with orange. It's great with lemon and peppermint. It's great with just peppermint by itself. It's great with Raven. This is just a really good one to diffuse. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of my favorite essential oils for the winter months. So if you have any questions about Young Living, feel free to leave that in the comments boxes below. I will leave my membership number in the description box. That way, if you want to log into the Young Living website and try some of these essential oils for yourself, you can use my membership number to get in and purchase 1 or 2 items at retail cost for yourself. I highly recommend Young Living essential oil products. I've been using them for, I want to say 5 years. This is something that my family uses regularly, and it's just a part of our lifestyle. So, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.